Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. Is it worth experimenting in order to learn how to set up my guitar, or will I destroy it? So here's a good question. Well, definitely you should learn some stuff about how guitar setup works, if only for the reason so that people cannot pull a fast one on you and they cannot tell you stuff that's not true and they cannot overcharge you for stuff they have not done or they have done not well and then try to charge you over that. So yes, you should know some stuff about your guitar setup. However, having said that, it's very, very important when you're learning how to set up your guitar and how to do all these things, do not use your good primary expensive guitar for that. This is not the way to go. The easiest way would be to buy a very cheap guitar, like buy a used guitar for around $100 and then do all your experimentation on that guitar. Definitely don't use your primary guitar. Or if you have a backup guitar, if you already own one, a cheaper one, then you can use that one as well. Now, before you start experimenting, definitely go to YouTube and watch some good quality tutorials from professional builders and professional guitar makers on how to do everything. And this will clarify many things about the different processes that you need to learn. Another way, which is something that I have done in the past, is to actually take your guitar to be set up at a professional luthier, professional guitar builder, and then ask him if you can stay there and ask questions while he's doing it. This way, you can ask anything you want, like why is he doing this with the strings, what is he doing with the frets, how is he lubricating the nut, and all these kind of things. And you can actually get an answer to your own questions. And then you can start with experimenting with some of those things yourself. Now, personally, I take my guitars to a professional to be set up. I don't do my own setups unless it's something very simple that I need to do for a specific moment. But usually, probably 95% of the time, I will take my guitar to be set up at a professional. And this is pretty much it. The one thing I want to repeat is do not learn how to do that with your primary guitar. Like if you have a guitar that costs over $1,000, especially used, if you bought it used for over $1,000, so it's probably worth $1,800 or $2,000 or $2,500, this is not the guitar you want to learn on. Get a cheap guitar to practice on. But apart from that, you should definitely experiment and learn some things about how the electric guitar is set up, and it's going to help you on several occasions. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Bye bye.